everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now I am looking like a scarecrow for a reason. I am cutting my hair. I'm cutting my hair today, y'all. I went natural a few years back, and my hair is actually a lot longer than it looks. See, like the shrinkage is kind of real. But I'm gonna cut all this off, so everything that I have sectioned off is gonna get cut. And I'm gonna take y'all to the barbershop with me. One of my high school friends is gonna cut my hair. I've known him for several years of high school. This will be my first time seeing him as an adult, so it'd be good to catch up with an old friend and get my hair cut. So I'm excited. We're about to go get in the car and everything. Adam threw on just something, whatever. Nothing fancy, just so I can get my hair cut in it, because it ain't gonna do nothing but have hair all over it anyway. But we'll be back. Alright, you guys, I'm waiting in the hallway. I've never been to a barbershop like this before. It's so sweet. So finna see how this goes. I think it's me. I'm talking low because there's other people in the hallway. I'll be back. Alright, so I decided to wait in my car instead. You know, there are no chairs up there. Yeah, I do not like chocolate at all. And this has so much chocolate. Why did they put all this chocolate in here? Why? Now I'm mad at myself for getting it and driving off with it. Because I did not know it was going to be this much chocolate. But whatever. It is called a triple mocha frappuccino, and I don't go to the actual Starbucks at all ever, so I never knew that it was gonna come with that much chocolate, because when you get the little ones that they have in like Walmart or something, the little jars of, I mean not jars, but oh, it's a bug in here. Oh, shit. Anyway, oh, I just had a mild heart attack, y'all. Goodness gracious. Shit. I done lost my train of thought. My heart beating so fast. But when you go to Walmart and get the you know what I'm trying to say, the bottle of the Frappuccino that's mocha, it doesn't taste like chocolate. And I knew it was going to be a difference, but I didn't think it was going to be like that. It's too much chocolate for me. Excuse me. I might end up giving that to one of my kids and let them bounce around the house. But I also got a breakfast sandwich. Let's see what this tastes like. It's a bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. It's so hot. Oh my goodness, they biscuit look good though, y'all. Look at this. Looks good, huh? It's hot as shit. Better than out of my fingers. Give me some grace. Sometimes I cut my grace out so that I can like cut down on time. But I think I'm gonna stop doing that. It is so hot. Woo. I'm gonna stop crumbling all over me. That's good though. Okay, Starbucks. Okay. That's pretty good. think I'm about to leave. Like, yeah, I've been waiting about 30 minutes now. So I'm on my way. Friends, huh? Anyway, guys. Oh, excuse me. I don't know if y'all could tell by now, but I don't like to eat on camera. But, because then I have to talk. And I don't like to talk with my mouth open all the time and stuff like that. As you see, all my food, because as you can see, I like to take big bites and enjoy everything. But I'm going to wait on him and like a little bit longer, and we'll see what happens. I might end up cutting my hair myself. We'll see. See you in a minute. I warned him that it was nappy as shit.
Get this thing off, we do. In bad shape.
It's going, y'all. Alright, you guys. I cut it. I didn't take my scarf all the way off because my hair looks so crazy right now, but I'm gonna go home and do it. Oh man, I'm so in love, y'all. Like, it feels so free again. Like, man, like, you just don't understand how good this feels. And he did such a good job, you guys. I love it. I absolutely love it. And I still have enough hair back here in the back to where when I get ready to do my braids and stuff, I could, excuse me, I don't know if it's dry, but it's to where I could do my braids and stuff, and they'll still look good and my hair look feminine and stuff like that. So I cannot wait to get home, and I'm going to make my ponytail a little bit neater for you guys so y'all can see the actual cut. He put a little design going back here. So I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm so excited. Man, I didn't know that I was going to be this happy to have my hair cut again. Oh my gosh. Like, man, like, do you know how good it feels to have all that dead hair off and like, oh man. I'll be back. Alright, you guys, I'm back home. Now, I kind of combed it out, but I'm still gonna do like the top of my hair. And I'm gonna do that later on when I have more time. So, y'all, this my round head. But he threw like a little, see how my little ponytail is right here? And I have like really thick black people hair. But so I'm looking a little boyish right now. But this the little design he threw right there in the back, on the side towards the back. And this is, let me see, there we go, and that's the rest of it. See, my hair was coming out really bad on this side, so it's like real thin right here. But I'm gonna braid it. And I'm going to twist it, or I don't know, one of them. I'm going to braid it or twist it. But I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And I know when I actually get my hair done, I need to get these lashes. But I know when I go get them done and I get my eyebrows done, I'm going to be, you ain't even tell me nothing, baby. But yeah, I love it. Really love it. I didn't want it this low, but when it starts to grow back in, and you see like how it is in the light, like all this is thin right here. So when it starts to grow back in, then I know it'll be a whole lot better. Because last time I cut my hair like this, I had a perm and all that other stuff, so all of this was laying down and it wasn't looking all like this. It was looking, I wasn't looking studly. I don't mean to offend anybody, but I wasn't looking boyish. So right now it's like fresh and I gotta get used to it. It's lash, but I like it for the most part. I like it. I love it. So yeah, this is it on this side. So I'm gonna braid it and then come back and show you the rest. So here's this. And I'm also gonna use some of this. So I just got through sectioning off my hair, and so I'm just gonna start braiding. Did this come out the board? It sure did. I have a bad habit of like wanting everything to be the way that I want it. And it's not perfect, but it's not perfect. So, yeah. And I'm trying to think if I want to do actual braids or if I want to do the twists. I don't know yet. I haven't decided. I might do the twist. So, I think it's quicker if I do the twist. That's what I'm thinking. It may be quicker. So now, I'm finna start making myself look like a girl again, instead of a little boy. I don't know why I feel like a boy. I guess because it's so fresh. Like, it is really fresh. So make sure it's on there good. And it is. And make sure so the hair not tangled up in it, which I feel like it kind of is, but it's alright. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to twist this one this way. And I'm going to twist this one this way. And then I'm going to twist them together, going opposite directions. just like this. I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to get as close as possible, but it's gonna be like this. So after I twist it all the way right here, I'm just gonna keep twisting all the way to the end. All the way to the end. And y'all, my ends are raggedy right now because guess what? I am using this cheap hair. Cheap hair. And I'm not gonna worry about trying to like seal the ends until I get ready to do my hot water. Sorry, I got a bad habit of this, so I could get it out the way. Now if it starts to like lump and bump like how it was a minute ago, just let it go and it'll unravel to what it's supposed to be, and you'll see how the tension really is, and you can kind of like adjust it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I don't like it how it's right here, so I'm just gonna fix it real fast. And just like that. And you gotta keep twisting all the way down to the end, so that way it could be even. It'll have that same tension. And seeing as how this hair is kind of long, it's gonna take a little bit of time. Uh-oh. See how it's getting to the end? You keep twisting all the way down. This is how it won't come down. And then you have to make sure your ends are tapered. And then that way, it'll stay just like that, even without hot water. Because I'm actually reusing this hair because I had this color hair in. I don't know if you've seen like in a previous video where I had this hair in, but I'm reusing this hair because I actually had to take it down, like, because I made the parts way too small, and I needed my hair to be in order for work, and it wasn't. So I was wearing my hat to work every day, and I got tired of it because all of this was done, but none of this up here was done. So I went in and took it down, and now I'm gonna put it back up. Only difference is this time I'm making the parts a whole lot bigger, as well as I don't have so much hair to do. So I'm gonna keep doing this, and once I have it completed, you guys, which will probably be later on tonight, because pretty soon my kids are gonna be coming home from school, and then like I said, this takes a little bit of a process. Just now it took me 2.5 minutes to do this whole entire thing. So multiply that times however much this is gonna be. I'm excited, and we'll see how it looks. Bye. I am so excited, you guys. I love it. Now, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that shit. It took me 2.5 days to do this. It took me the day that I got my hair cut, and then later on that night, and then here it is the next morning. So I'm finally finished and I love it. So, but thank you guys. Bye. Oh, I finally got them lashes off, y'all. I'm so excited. I'm gonna get my lashes done tomorrow because today's Sunday. So I'm gonna get my lashes done tomorrow. But anyways, oh, I'm so excited. I'm gonna wrap this up and go to bed. Bye.